Hey guys. Okay, so last week we read an informational text about polar bears. Today we're going to read an informational text about panda bears. Okay? So while we read, I want you to think about how panda bears and polar bears are similar and how they're different. And we're going to talk about comparing and contrasting two things, okay? Okay, so Panda Pals is our heading. With its striking black and white image, the giant panda cannot be mistaken for any other bear. This national treasure of China is one of the most popular animals visited at zoos. All right, our next title is Bamboo, Please. And bamboo is what pandas eat. They're big, long sticks on special kinds of trees. All right, so the next heading is Bamboo, Please. A giant panda may spend much of its time sitting and tearing off the coarse leaves and stems of bamboo, its favorite food. It may also eat a little grass, some flowering plants, or raid a beehive for honey. A special thumb on its front paws help the giant panda grasp bamboo stems. Unique among bears, this false thumb is made up of an elongated wrist bone. All right, our next heading is called Severe Measures. Because of hunting and loss of habitat, the giant panda is endangered. Which means that its species is in danger of dying off. Many of them have already died, and the number of giant pandas has gone down a lot. Symbol of the World Wildlife Fund, the giant panda has a population fewer than 1,000. It is in such danger of extinction, the Chinese government has decreed that anyone killing a giant panda may be sentenced to death. So the next title is Bear or Raccoon. For many years, scientists wondered if the giant panda is a bear or a relative of the raccoon. The giant panda has many similarities to the smaller red panda, which is a member of the raccoon family. However, today scientists classify the giant panda as a bear. So here are some pandas eating bamboo. And then here is the red panda. All right, on to our next page. Black and white babies. At birth, giant panda cubs weigh a mere 3 to 5 ounces. Within weeks, they have developed a light version of the striking black and white panda coat. In a year, they are on their own, and their mother gives birth again. All right, our next heading is Little Giant. Despite its name, the giant panda measures only 27 to 31 inches tall from the ground to its shoulders. It's about 5 to 6 feet from nose to rump. In most bear species, males are considerably larger than females. But all giant panda adults are nearly the same size. It's almost impossible to tell them apart. All right, looking for a mate. During mating season, giant pandas find one another by scent and sound. To advertise their presence, they rub their scent glands against trees. The male vocalizes with an eerie call, and the female responds with a sheep-like bleat. Okay, so what are some similarities and some differences between panda bears and the polar bears that we read about before? Think about what they eat. Is that similar or different, and how? Where they live, is that similar or different, and how? What they look like, is that similar or is that different? So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to create a Venn diagram. We worked on these during school. Remember, these are those circle diagrams that intersect in the middle that we use to compare and contrast two things. So I want you to create a Venn diagram to compare and contrast panda bears and polar bears. Okay? All right, bye guys, miss you.